with Gut Cooking, and tonight we have a special chef. This is Chef Greg Richie.
Hello.
So good
Thank
to
you.
have you here.
Pleasure to be here. I'm Greg Richie. I'm the chef partner at Soco restaurant in Thornton Park, which is in downtown Orlando. I'm super excited to be here with you guys and to get cooking together. First, place a large pot on low heat to get getting heated up. We're going to cut up some bacon into very small pieces. If they're slightly frozen, they cut easier. Once cut, get that bacon into the pot along with the vegetable oil. Meanwhile, chop up some garlic, get that into the pot, stir it up. We're going to cut up some onions, get those in, stir them up, then cut up your celery into the pot, stir them up. Once the onions have become translucent, add the mushrooms. Cook those mushrooms for a couple minutes, add salt and pepper. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add flour. Stir well to incorporate, then add the vinegar. Now we're going to start using a whisk. Start adding the chicken stock while whisking constantly. Once that's in, add the bay leaf, thyme, milk, soy sauce, and salt.
We're ready for the peas.
The peas are going in. While the broth heats to a simmer, begin making the dough for the dumplings. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together all the dry ingredients with a whisk. Then in a separate vessel, mix up your melted butter and milk. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. I like to stir with my hand while using a glove, but you can use a wooden spoon as well. Once the dough mixture is ready, add to the simmering liquid of the broth, golf ball size, drop them around until all the dumpling mixture is in there. Put a lid on and do not lift for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, while those are cooking, begin pulling apart the chicken, separating the chicken how you want to serve it. Once the chicken is ready in a bowl and the dumplings are cooked, start portioning them out. Garnish with a little bit of fresh chopped parsley or chives, and you're good to go.
Chef, thank you so much for showing us this recipe. Everybody, happy dining tonight. Get around the table with your family and enjoy this home-cooked recipe brought to us by Chef Greg Richie.
Thanks for having me, and thanks to Chef Norman and everybody else for making me a part of this. Been great. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Good night. Happy eating, healthy eating.